Okay, I just wanted to show a delightful little way to play with conditional formatting and your Lucid documents. So oftentimes you might have conditional formatting rules where you're looking to highlight certain things. So in my case, in this one, I'm actually looking to highlight if something has a bunch of links or if it's a blocker because, it's taking longer than it's expected. But you could have all kinds of rules in Lucid. For example, I could actually say that, if shape type is something like, decision, then I want it to be, I don't know, purple. So everything purple or everything that's a decision shape should turn purple. I'm not going to save the rule in this case, but you might not always want those on. So one of the things to keep in mind is that Lucid has these awesome diagram keys. And you can leverage what I'm about to show with your diagram keys to have a really nice way to turn on and off those formatting rules. Because sometimes you really might just want to see the process just kind of with the basic colors. You don't want to add those in. Lucid actually allows you with any shape you want, for example, this one, to come in and add a shape action. We can toggle layers, but we can also toggle conditional formatting. So I can actually set up on a shape or on any text, a toggle that's going to say turn on and off a conditional formatting rule. If I Command Shift click, or if I'm in view only mode, I can just click and it will actually turn those on and off. So that brings me to diagram keys. You can highlight the text in any option here. And if you highlight something like, say, headers, I could add an action to just that text in the diagram key and ask it to then turn on and off a rule. So I could actually, let's do blockers again, use this, meaning that my diagram key functions not just as a key for what does this color mean, it's also going to function as a way for me to turn on and off those rules, which is really nice. So hopefully that is helpful for you as you start thinking about ways to improve your Lucid diagrams and explore using conditional formatting and diagram keys and toggles. Thanks.